It's me a great honor to be able to give a few examples of research we have been doing in Vietnam over the last 15 years. As you know better than I, aquaculture in Vietnam is one of the most successive and impressive sectors that has shown great development over the last decade in Vietnam. In our supermarkets in Denmark, we buy pangasius, basa, and also shrimp from Vietnam.
Trong siêu thị của chúng tôi chẳng hạn là có cá basa của Việt Nam.
It's also a very important source of protein for the Vietnamese population, of course. Now, together with colleagues in Vietnamese institutions in northern Vietnam at Can Tho University in southern Vietnam, and also with funding from our foreign ministry, Dette, and the EU, we have done various types of research within food safety of aquaculture. When we analyze data from EU member countries, we can see, based on reports from EU member countries, that the safety of Vietnamese shrimp and pangasius imported into Europe are very, very good, are very safe. At the same time, when we do field work and we investigate together with our Vietnamese colleagues, we can see also there is a widespread and often unnecessary use of different antibiotics and chemicals. Sometimes this gives some problems with antibiotic residues in the foods, and we can see often when we talk with farmers that sometimes they have limited knowledge on how to correctly and in a cost-efficient way to use antibiotics and other chemicals. Based on our findings, together with our Vietnamese colleagues, we have proposed ways where we can strengthen the aquaculture management so we can control these chemical hazards, but also some of the biological hazards. Now, I will change animal from fish and shrimp to pigs, and I'll give you an example where I think we could collaborate in the future. People in Vietnam, people in Denmark, we love pigs. So an example could be that we establish joint research program within the area of pig production and health. So based on research, we provide the basis for a competitive, efficient, and also environmental and other ways sustainable pig production in Vietnam. At our university, we have established a center on pig production and health, and I've put some information folders where you can learn more about this. What's very clear is that in Vietnam, like elsewhere in the world, overuse of antibiotics, but also increasing problems with resistant pathogens are now making it more and more difficult to treat diseases in humans, but also in animals. Denmark and Danish institutions, in close collaboration with industry and also authorities, have actually shown the way in Europe on how to establish effective surveillance and control system of antibiotic use and antimicrobial resistance. Such a research program would then be able to create the knowledge and basis also in Vietnam to establish an effective surveillance and control system, and then prudent use of antibiotics will actually, if we can use it more effectively, we will have less resistance, we will have more effective treatment of diseases, but we will actually also within agriculture have a better and increased production. We have at the University of Copenhagen established a large center collaboration called UC Care, which aims to generate knowledge and tools to combat this problem with antimicrobial resistance in both people and animals. These were two examples of research. I'm sure there are many others, but I hope this will be an inspiration for our future collaboration. Thank you very much.
So now it's time to say goodbye. We are very proud that you had time to come and visit us here at the University of Copenhagen and get a glimpse of various aspects of research and education. And we hope that you and your people will come again soon and we can start and continue collaborations.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much.
Chào. Bye bye. Rồi, chào.